George, get off the chair. Let Gus have his chair. Come on. Come on, George. There you go, Gus. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, the dog's still bullying. He's just a bully. He just be bullying Gus. Alright, let's see what it is. Man, this is the dullest knife I've ever. I just told Jamie that I had all my kitchen knives were sharp. I guess I'm lying. That thing is dull. I can't even get the thing in there, is it? Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh man, that is slightly used, huh? I hope that fits in there. I think it will. Let's go look. Let's go try it out. Don't look at the dishes. Alright. Let's go see. Let's see here. Looks like it's that. Yep. Yeah, that's gonna do it. Okay. This thing might be a little short, huh? It'll work though. It'll do the trick. It's gonna go in just like that. And then right through there. Bam. So we'll do that. All right. Cool. Yeah. Hey, did you know if we start making money off these videos, I got to make sure to not put you in 30% of the videos so I don't have to pay you?
Yeah.
Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
That's okay if I keep the money?
Yeah, I guess.
Heck yeah, man. All right. Now let's see if...
Except for that one. It's all rusty.
Yeah.
You have to clean this one because it's all rusty.
All right. Let's see if this will fit.
So
Oh, buddy, look at that. Huh? It's gonna work.
that thing's awesome.
Isn't it? So that's that wheel. Remember, see how we have this wheel over here?
Yep.
And then this one over here fell off. And so we got to put this on here.
This is some cool work.
This is some cool work, huh? Nope. Wait, find the gasoline. Touch the gasoline. Hey, touch the gas can. The gas can. Okay, now go. Hey, no, I don't need the gas can. Put the gas can up. I'm telling you where to go. Now go to the side of the gas can. Other side. Other side. Okay, other side. Keep going. Keep going that direction. Now look right in front of you. See that metal bar? That's it. That's the one I need. You're gonna have to use both hands probably. That's kind of heavy, huh? You're strong though. You got this. All right, here, hand that to me.
I mean, it is a little heavy.
It's a little heavy, huh?
Yeah, it's a little heavy for you.
For me? I saw you try to lift it, buddy.
I mean, I would.
Oh yeah, where'd those come from?
Oh, this was from the Easter egg hunt from last time.
Oh.
And this was from that huge egg.
Yeah, I see. Boom. All right, now we're gonna be good on that.
And see that bunny in there?
Uh-huh.
And it spins around when you open it.
So now we got, buddy, I think we're done. Now this is good work, huh?
Remember, we have to do a few things around here.
Yeah, a few things around here.
Yeah. And the grass is fun. It's still going on.
No, we're not gonna move this out of it. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know if this thing's even gonna work very good. What do you think about starting a fire today?
Yeah.
Looks like we're out of weed eater string already. Goose. Some good lizards.
And make some like s'mores and hot dogs. And make some s'mores and cookies. And we could have another campsite today.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll do that though. And if you look, like most of this that I've done, it's all the stuff that I've already sprayed, but I guess I didn't spray it very good, so I'm just kind of going over it again and weed eating it. I'll get some more spray and spray a little bit more because I hate weed eating. I'm also gonna go pull the truck around and grab those hedge clippers, and I'm gonna cut that stuff off that trunk today. That's one of the things that we're gonna do. So, but that's really it. That's gonna be, for the most part, it today. Doing this little weed eating, and then getting that. I put that wheel on the mower. I'm pretty much set up for the next week. Today's the 4th of July, so I'm trying to take it easy. I think we might go to the fair tonight. But other than that, I think we're just gonna kind of stay home, have a chill. Okay, so I'm gonna chop all of this crap off this stump, and then there's this bark and crap down here. I'm gonna get all that picked up today, and then I think I'm done for the day. It's really hot. I just wanted to come and try to accomplish something today, and it's also, like I said earlier, it's 4th of July, so I think we're gonna take it easy.
It looks a lot better. I'm out of breath, and it's not because I did this. It's because I just got into a fight with a bee, and I mean, he got me good. I'm kind of hoping his friends don't show up. I mean, I got the last laugh, but I'm glad I didn't have the camera on because I was looking like an idiot swinging around and trying to catch this bee. But
I got that. There's. What is this thing?
Oh my God.
Give somebody some warning.
Oh man.
Look at your mom. What was that?
Dang, that was good.
It looks harmless. It looks like a little fountain. Mark got him. See it? See it, huh? It looks like a fountain.
Smoky.
Those are smoke bombs.
These are nighttime. Right here, I know these are night. But I don't know about, those are day, but I don't know about the rest of them.
Huh?
Oh, these are nighttime.
Yeah, those are for the night. Those should all be night. These will, yeah, watch this, Gus. Hey, take this and pull this string right there.
Yeah, do it.
I just say put them all together and let them hang.
No, not like that.
Not like this.
Like this. Hold it like this. You want me to do it?
Yeah. Woo. Let me try.
Let me try.
Hey, not that one.
Is this how you do it?
Yep. Well, don't hold that in. Hold right here. Take your fingers, hold it like that. There you go. Now pull it. What was that? Paxton, you gotta quit chasing them, buddy.
He's like a dog.
Hey.
Oh. All right, you ready? Hey. Yeah. Gus, do not touch anything.
Oh, they did upside down. Okay, yeah.
That helped. Don't do it in my hand. Here. Here. Now light it on the frog. Oh.
What was that one?
Huh? That was a tap. You gotta get it better. You want me to do it? Get it. Yeah, you gotta get it till it starts.
Here, she's lighting one up, and there's two people over there. And your brother's right.
There you go. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do?
I don't know.
You've got more open.
It's spitting fire! Wait, guys.
Oh. Hey. Hey.
There, smoking. Yeah.
Hey, yeah, you okay? Did you burn yourself? Hey, look at me. Don't pick them up. Watch out, Rosie. Is it a pooping chicken? Oh, dang. Dang. Hey, Goose, you want to do this ambulance? You want to do the wambulance? Because I feel like that's what you just did. Oh, I light it by myself? Heck yeah, that's cool. I'm cool with that. Get to chicken out.
Snakes and sparklers.
Huh? It's like, you don't got no flaming bung holes?
Yeah, I don't know what it is. He just likes setting things on fire.
Oh, watch out, guys.
Watch it, catch it. There it is.
I don't know where it went. It gone. She gone. She gone. Gus, quit lighting things on fire. Goose, can you hear me? Okay, what did I say?
It's not been lit yet. You have like 5 of them.
Animal crackers! Get back! Get back to the phone!
come over to Nana.
One, two, three. One, two, three.
Look, you're gonna see it.
What the heck? You're what?
Hey, Rosie, was that strawberry bread?
Yes. She sits down.
300 followers.
Here we go.
Say, woo, no.
Look out. This is our one
Favorite
now.
holiday?
Yep.
To America, woo!
America, woo! America, woo!
One, two, three. One, two, three. Ooh, nice. One, two, three.
Makes you.
I got you first.
I gotta say, my favorite part about my entire 4th of July celebration was hearing my Uncle Eddie go, 1, 2, 3, or here we go, every time my cousin Mark would light a mortar shell. It just brings me so much joy in my heart. I just want to say thank you to my family. I had such an amazing night. I love the 4th of July. It's one of my favorite holidays. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, all the things. Appreciate you, and I'll see you next time.